All right, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am on my way to meet Mike, backup Mike from the S3 crew. We're going over to the Wayland, this cool bar that has a great happy hour. If you've watched my ride and reviews, you've seen it on there. I went with the cake dealer. We did some oysters, a burger, some drinks. We're gonna go talk business, talk shop a little bit with the owner who's there. The owner reached out to me. He said thanks for the ride and review coverage, the post that I put on Instagram, and I was telling him that we do meetups on Wednesdays with all the electric bikes, and I said your spot's really awesome. Maybe we can bring it over there sometimes. And he was receptive. He was interested. So I figured, you know, it's Friday, it's happy hour time. What better time than to jump over there and talk it up with him a little bit. And happy to see that Mike can make it. That way we get at least 2 of the 5 heads of the 5 families there. Actually, I think it's going to be like 7 or 8 families now. Bronx Voltage is coming into the fold. I think the East Coast Scooters guys are in the fold with us now too. We're gonna do an Electric Wednesday jersey with all of the group logos on it. It's gonna be fun. It's really growing. The community is really feeding off of each other and coming out to show support and solidarity for what each of us are trying to do. It's really cool. So yeah, so I'm just on my way. It's 9th Street and Avenue C, right on the corner. I am on Columbia, which is Avenue D. As soon as I cross over Houston, coming up here. And that's really it. But the real reason that I'm running this video right now is because I'm going to try out the GPS on the GoPro.
No, we walk around the world.
So yeah, the GPS, you know, it was on this whole time. I had no clue. The GPS feature, you can import like a speedometer, altimeter, G-force, all this other stuff, you know, made for action cameras, so you can kind of monitor your speed, your motions, everything. So I'm going to try it and see, because I know I'm going to be doing some speed tests soon for the Chimera when it comes. Chimera's being built. It's in production. What is this guy doing? My bike is being assembled. I know they were just waiting on cranks. I hope I get it soon. So this is 7th Street. I got to go to 9th Street. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Maybe you'll see in the corner on the top, or I don't know, the bottom, wherever, the little speedometer thing. I don't think I'll have much use for the other GPS features. That's probably the only one I'll use. So see how it goes, see how accurate it is, and that's about it. I am just rolling up to this spot right now. It's right here on the corner, up on the left, and I'm hungry and thirsty. What a week it's been. Gonna get burger, gonna get some oysters, beer, and that's it. All right, rolling up. Let's see if I beat Mike here.
Oh yeah.
So what do you think? Good burger?
It's all gone. I did not leave anything. I am not playing around when I say that was one of my favorite burgers.
Nice. I love it. Good to hear.
What do you think?
Mike's got a mouthful.
I love the double stack.
Yeah.
Yep.